Hi, babies. Say hi. Hi, Badger. Good boy. Checking everything out. Taking it all in. Still a little shaking in the back legs. Let's go back. All right, we'll go back. We're coming. There you go. Can't hide behind me, honey. You're doing good. A little bit of drool. Hi. Oh, look at that face. So willing to trust somebody, anybody, even as overwhelmed as he is.